Hi, I'm Bob Kablusek, Chief Innovation and Technology Officer at Sentinel.
Hello, I'm Kevin Koski, National VP of Market Development at Sentinel.
As a leader, we look at it two ways. We look at our internal approach and we're looking at our external approach. So internally, we're calling it Illuminate AI. Externally, Accelerate AI. So internally, we're looking for those business use cases that'll solve problems that AI only can solve. Automation that wasn't possible previously that we can do today. So for example, we have tickets that are enriched with AI for every ticket coming into the organization and handed based on persona over to agents or over to engineers to help resolve things faster. For Accelerate AI, we have generated a number of workshops. We're talking to our customers about use cases, proofs of concepts, business value that we could deliver, low-hanging fruit, so to speak. And we're helping to build these. We're helping these to come true in the business world as initial generations and then second generations, because AI has to evolve. It has to continue. Finally, we're offering it in our products with our manufacturers, our vendors. There's a ton of AI coming in from every single vendor out there. We're offering workshops for our customers. We're aligning strategies, security strategies over multiple years, all with AI in mind as the future of how we're going to help cyber crime, for example.
Internally, there's two primary applications we've developed in the last year. The first was a RFP response tool. As we grow our business, we are consistently responding to RFPs, which take a significant amount of time. We've been able to develop a tool to assist our sales staff and reduce response time by up to 90% in evaluating, responding, and publishing RFP documents.
Another Project Illuminate concept that we have that's going from concept to production right now is automation and project plans. We generate hundreds of scopes a month, and those scopes turn into projects. And when they turn into projects, project managers previously had to go through the tedious task of creating a Gantt chart, creating a project plan from all of the tasks and all the items within those scopes of work. We've used AI now to generate those project plans, to get a first draft out that then our experienced project managers and engineers can tailor to the customer's environment.
As Bob mentioned earlier, another tool that we've built is an AI ticket enrichment system to help our engineering staff respond to inbound tickets and issues our customers provide.
One of the really nice things about Cisco XDR and some of our other partners out there like Microsoft Copilot for Security is they are embedding AI right in these tools. So today when an agent uses a standard tool that does not have AI, they have to hunt around, they have to do a lot of research, they have to pull a lot of information, then they have to generate a report, they have to find the root cause, they have to create an incident. Today, what happens in Cisco XDR as an example is an incident will come in, it'll be bubbled up to AI, and we can ask in natural language, what happened in this incident? What did it affect? Did it impact only internal or external entities? And AI will give us all of those answers. Another thing that's just fantastic within the tool is reporting. So when we want to go to a root cause, whether it's a small incident that might take an agent or an analyst up to 2 hours, let's say, to write up a root cause, or a long one that could take 12 to 15 hours, now takes less than 1 minute to generate a board-ready report for any kind of incident that comes into XDR. So the efficiencies and the speed of our service to respond is greatly accelerated with the AI being embedded in these cybersecurity tools. We have a customer of ours, a really great customer that they do things in the marine area. So they'll do underwater cabling, they build dams, they do things with ships. Environmental safety is absolutely critical for them. So they came to us about talking about AI. We did a proof of concept, and it's turned into a production application where we've applied machine learning to their use case to help them predict safety considerations for the future. And that application is in production now and continues to evolve and continues to be tuned, automating a lot of the safety and improving safety for that customer as well.
One of Sentinel's customers is a large heavy equipment organization who had a need to be much more predictive in the maintenance of the heavy equipment that goes out on lease. There are certain timetables that need to be met, but more importantly, AI has been able to review consumption and deterioration of equipment to determine and be much more predictive in the need for maintenance. And that has been able to have them reduce costs and have less breakdowns.
Yeah, those amplify the implementations by skills, for one. They have training, skills, certifications. So Sentinel's engaged in those activities. We've got over 81 skilled, unique skills in AI today. The partnership programs also have a lot of AI training. Some of it covers general AI, some goes very specific. So we have a number of black belts, for example, as Cisco calls it, from the Black Belt Academy in their AI-ready data center. So those would be more of our data center-focused engineers that are now applying AI, GPUs, into things like flash stacks and flex pods, so that our customers can accelerate AI, or for data privacy purposes, to where they don't want to use AI in the cloud, they want to use AI on-prem, and now we have our engineers trained and ready to have those conversations. Additionally, cybersecurity, there's just a tremendous amount of that going into our products from our vendors. Darktrace, Cisco, Microsoft, Palo Alto, you name it, they all have a tremendous amount of AI going into the products. And the reason is that the bad actors are using AI against us very rapidly. They are profiling social media. They are creating really believable emails. Business email compromises on the rise with very genuine looking attacks. And in order to turn the tables on them, we need AI into these security products. No longer can you do it without AI. AI profiling your identity, emails normal behavior from abnormal behaviors, and bubbling that up to the surface and handing it to our analysts ready to react faster.
Sentinel has a very customer-specific, tailored approach to AI. AI is not a one-size-fits-all tool. There's a variety of things that can be done, whether you're using a Microsoft Copilot or a ChatGPT or Claude. The variety of tools that are out there are going to have unique implications within different industries. Frequently, it's going to be cost-cutting. Occasionally, it's going to be revenue-producing. Other times, it's going to be time-saving. So you have to have a spread knowledge across different industries and different tool sets to create very specific custom-tailored solutions.
Really, the future of AI is unlimited. If you take a look at the ChatGPT, even compared to the internet to get to the first million users, I believe was something like 5+ years. It took about 2 to 3 months with ChatGPT alone. So it is extremely fast. It's accelerating every part of our world. There's a lot of people out there that believe that your job won't be replaced by AI. It'll be replaced by somebody that knows AI. And in many cases, that'll be true. So Sentinel is helping our customers in many ways through the custom solutions, some of which we've talked about already, also through all of our partners and vendors that are embedding AI in the products that they sell. And we're helping customers understand how to apply that to their business, how to turn those features on, and how to leverage those in order to improve their business, improve their IT landscape for the future.
We welcome you to reach out to Sentinel Technologies to further your AI projects and development. We'd like you to take advantage of one of our free workshops or other POCs to determine the best way for you to have custom-tailored solutions that will benefit your organization in both productivity and/or cost reduction developments within this technology. Bob?
Yeah, we've also partnered with Gartner. So a lot of what we're doing is looking at use cases across our customers and across our base and the conversations we're having. But we're also reaching out to analysts. We're looking at research so we can bring ideas to you. Some of these workshops, as Kevin referenced, one of them in particular for your first POC could be the Art of the Possible workshop, where we walk through some of the low-hanging fruit, biggest impact opportunities within your organization. Others may be the Copilot workshop, to where we can talk about how Copilot and efficiencies would impact your organization, even giving you a rough ROI at the end, should you want to go through that exercise of how AI could impact some of your power users within the organization, some of your creators, because it can really change things, make a big difference in productivity across the entire organization.
And we'd like you to learn from some of the items that we have already discovered. AI is a challenging thing to get started with, and you want to make sure you have the right security, compliance, and guardrails in place in order to be effective.